Hi.
It's dinner time on Sunday, July 8th, and Daddy is doing something very funny.
Okay, ready? Ready? Excuse me. Ready? Excuse me. Excuse me. Ready? Huh? Excuse me. One more time? Huh? One more time? Ready? Excuse me. Okay. Gotta get back to eating, huh? Let's see those little teeth. Come on, let's see those little teeth. No, Olivia. Olivia.